Hi everyone, welcome to another episode of Clever Cook. What you see here is a very simple dish. It's meatloaf stuffed mushroom topped with bacon. That's right, a regular meatloaf, not made in any special kind of way. Follow your favorite recipe. Get yourself some big mushrooms, remove the stems and just throw them in the sides over there. And top it with some bacon slices. And about 375 for say about 40 minutes or until you think it's done. And you can enjoy it with a big pan of potatoes with onions here, salt and oregano and some oil, and just baked until it's ready. And some nice steamy hot carrots over here for later. Oh, and peas. You can't have meatloaf without peas. Peas and carrots. So if you can't think of what you want and you want something new, what you want is meatloaf stuffed mushrooms. Thanks for watching. Tell your friends. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment.